Welcome to Real Life English. Today's video is about taking the bus. You will learn useful English for buying a ticket, asking about the route, and getting to your destination. Let's get started. Leo, is this the right bus stop?
I think so. Let me check the sign.
What does the sign say?
It says bus 12 stops here. That's the one we need.
How long do we have to wait?
The app says about 5 minutes.
Good. I don't want to be late.
Don't worry, we have enough time.
Leo, do you know how much the fare is?
The fare is the amount of money you pay to ride the bus. I think it's $2.50.
Can we pay by card?
Yes, most buses accept cards now. You can also use cash.
That's convenient.
Oh, I can see the bus coming.
Finally. Let's get ready.
Excuse me, does this bus go downtown? Yes, it does. This bus goes all the way downtown. Does it stop near Central Park? Yes, that's about the 6th stop from here. How long does it take? About 15 minutes, depending on traffic. Thank you so much. No problem. Please step on board.
Emma, the driver said this bus stops near Central Park. It takes about 15 minutes.
That's great. And step on board means to get on the bus, right?
Exactly. Let's go.
Leo, do we tap the card here?
Yes, tap it on the reader. Like this.
Oh, I see. The light turned green. That means it worked.
Right. Now let's find a seat.
It's a little crowded. I see 2 empty seats near the back.
Let's sit there. But first, let's make sure no one left a bag on it.
Good point. What if someone is already sitting close to it?
Then you can just ask, "Is this seat taken?" That's a polite way to check.
That's useful. I'll remember that.
Also, hold on to something when the bus moves. It can be bumpy.
Bumpy means rough, right? Like lots of small shakes?
Exactly, especially if the road is not smooth.
Leo, what stop is next?
Let me check the screen. The next stop is Oak Street.
And we need Central Park, right?
Yes, we have a few more stops to go.
I like taking the bus. You can see the city.
Me too. It's more relaxing than driving.
And cheaper.
That's true. Parking downtown is very expensive.
Leo, what's that building over there?
That's the old City Hall. It's been there for over 100 years.
Wow, it looks beautiful.
The city has a lot of history. You should explore more.
I want to. Maybe next weekend.
Good idea. Oh, the next stop is Maple Avenue. We're getting closer.
How many stops until Central Park?
Just 2 more.
I'll start getting ready then.
Good thinking.
Leo, are we there yet?
Almost. The next stop should be Central Park.
I'm so excited. I've never been there before.
You're going to love it. It's very beautiful in the morning.
Leo, look at that market over there. What is that place?
Oh, that's the weekend farmers market. They sell fresh vegetables and fruit.
That looks amazing. Can we go there too?
Maybe after the park.
Leo, wait. Look at the screen. It already says Central Park.
What? I think this is our stop right now.
The doors are still open. Let's go, quickly.
I got distracted by the market. I almost missed it.
That was close. Come on, let's get off before the doors close.
Whew, we made it just in time.
Just in time means we almost didn't make it, but we did make it.
Exactly. Next time, I'll watch the screen more carefully.
Let's pay more attention next time.
Agreed.
We're here. Central Park.
Finally. That was an adventure.
Leo, I have a question. What do you do if you don't know which stop to get off at?
Good question. You can ask the driver before you get on. You can say, Please tell me when we arrive at Central Park.
That's really useful. The driver can remind you.
Yes, most drivers are happy to help. You can also use a map app on your phone.
I should do both, just to be safe.
That's smart. Also, watch the stop names on the screen inside the bus.
Right. Most buses have a screen or an announcement.
Exactly. So you have 3 ways to know your stop.
Ask the driver, use a map app, and watch the screen.
Perfect. Now you're ready to take the bus anywhere.
I feel more confident now.
You did great today. Come on, let's enjoy the park.
Let's go. Leo, this park is even more beautiful than I imagined.
I'm glad we made it. Should we check how to get back later?
Good idea. Do you know the bus schedule for the way back?
Let me check the app. There's a bus stop right across the street.
Is it the same bus number?
No, this one is bus 15. It also goes downtown, but on a different street.
What's the difference between bus 12 and bus 15?
Bus 12 goes through Main Street. Bus 15 takes Oak Avenue instead.
I see. So they both go downtown, but they take different routes.
Exactly. A route is the path the bus follows.
What if we want to go somewhere that's not on either route?
Then you might need to transfer. That means changing from one bus to another.
Oh, I think I did that once in my city. You get off one bus and get on a different one.
Exactly. Sometimes you need a new ticket, and sometimes the transfer is free.
Good to know. What time does the last bus leave?
The last bus from this stop is at 9 in the evening.
That's plenty of time. We can stay and enjoy the park.
Should we buy a return ticket now or pay when we get on?
A return ticket is for both ways, right?
Right. It means a ticket for going and coming back. But here, I think we just pay each time we board.
That's simple enough.
Some cities also sell day passes.
What's a day pass?
A day pass lets you ride the bus as many times as you want in one day.
That sounds convenient if we're taking the bus a lot today.
It does. Let's check if this city offers one.
Good idea. I want to visit a few more places after the park.
Maybe we can take the bus to the market we saw earlier.
Yes, I really want to see what they're selling.
Then a day pass might save us some money.
Let's ask the driver about it when we get on the next bus.
Sounds like a plan. For now, let's enjoy the park.
Agreed. This was a great first bus ride.
And now you know how to take the bus with confidence.
Great job! Today you learned useful English for taking the bus. You practiced asking about the route, paying the fare, finding a seat, and getting off at the right stop. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe for more real-life English conversations. See you next time.